LabX Online Training. Activating LabX. In this presentation, we will demonstrate how you can activate LabX after a successful installation, by using the automatic activation functionality. This functionality will work when the workstation with LabX has direct access to the Internet. Locate and launch your LabX application. The first time you use LabX, the application will prompt to select one of the three available options. Activate by entering a valid license key. Install a LabX Express or a LabX Server demo. Both demonstration versions are valid for 30 days. After the expiration, you will need to activate your product in order to reuse the application. In this presentation, we have selected to activate our product, and therefore we press Next to proceed with our activation. In order to activate your product, you will need two keys: an addition and an instrument key. You will find this information with the LabX media box you have received. Please keep these keys in a safe place. You will need to type the two keys in the appropriate text fields, highlighted in this illustration. For convenience and demonstration purposes, we have already typed the keys in a text file. LabX is currently available in two editions: Express and Server. Exposed system functionality and modules installed are fully controlled by the license manager. In order to simplify the installation steps and minimize user interactions, all information regarding components required is encrypted in the license keys supplied. For our demonstration, the edition key is linked to a full server edition, and the instrument key is linked with one LiquiPhysics instrument. We first select the edition key and paste it in the appropriate text box. We then select our instrument key and place it in the instrument license field. To proceed with the activation, we press on Finish. When user management is installed, LabX will request to log in. You need to use the highlighted predefined user. This user account has no password. You can modify the credential of this account at a later time. This is the home screen of LabX. For further descriptions and explanations, please see our separate online training material describing the user interface. In order to activate LabX, we need to access the functionality through the LabX ribbon button. We can proceed either by using the License Manager or selecting Activation. There are two options available for activation: an automatic and manual option. As we have direct access to the Internet at this workstation, we select Direct and proceed by pressing Next. LabX contacts the activation portal through the Internet and requests to log in with your activation portal credentials. If you do not have a LabX portal user account, you will need to create one first by visiting the highlighted web address in the illustration. For our training purposes, we have already created an account. To proceed, we need to enter our training user credentials in the appropriate locations, and press Next. LabX will retrieve and display your user information. You can modify any of your personal data, or simply proceed by pressing Next. Any of the displayed information can be amended at any time either by using the activation functionality, or directly through the web portal. Finally, it is required and also recommended to give your system a meaningful name. In a multi-system environment, you could easily identify your systems quickly when requesting support. Since the instrument license key we entered is associated with a single LiquiPhysics instrument, the system is requesting to select the type of instrument we intend to connect. In our example, we select NRM LiquiPhysics instrument. Your system is now activated and ready to be used. If you wish to check your system or instrument keys, select the License Manager through the LabX button. Here, you can add further licenses, retrieve existing registered information for your system, as well as accessing the LabX activation portal. This concludes our automatic activation session. Thank you for your time.